There was quite a buzz about Lynn. Decorating is really not my thing. I know I'm in real estate. I see a lot of really nice properties, but for me it was difficult to put it together. I think she has a certain flair. She kind of knew my style at this point, but she put 4 different options together for me. Took a video of the condo completed. She pulls up on a Friday and she's got a loaded truck. And they were just fiddling with things here and there and everything else. And now they had a good idea of what the condo looked like, and so they came back on Monday and they finished everything. It looked great. And it was one seamless delivery. It was perfect. And I knew when to get the old furniture out, and then she just came in and finished everything in one shot. I think she really took into consideration the space. When I get out of work, just relax space. You know, this is my quiet space. And I love everything that's been done to the condo. And I think that her things are different, and they add that difference, and it's definitely worth it.